Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2002 ECE paper and the topic we are discussing is analog circuits. In a negative feedback amplifier using voltage series feedback, that is voltage sampling and shunt mixing, what happens to Ri and R0? Ri and R0 denote input and output resistances respectively. So in a negative feedback amplifiers, if we use voltage series feedback, what will happen to Ri and R0, whether they increase or decrease? Okay. So first of all, we should know the difference between the amplifier and feedback amplifier. Amplifier is nothing but it is normally called as basic amplifier. An amplifier without feedback is called as basic amplifier. An amplifier with feedback is called as feedback amplifier. Feedback is a process. Feedback is a process of taking a sample of output signal and mixing this input signal at the input side such that effective input signal is modified to improve the performance of amplifier. Mainly feedback is used to improve the performance of amplifier circuits. Okay, and there are two different types of feedbacks. One is positive feedback, the other is negative feedback. This depends on whether the modified input signal is increasing or decreasing. If the modified input signal is increasing after mixing, at that time that is positive feedback. If the modified input signal is reducing after feedback, at that time after mixing, that is going to be called as negative feedback. And here the question is related to negative feedback. Okay. So this is what we can go with the general block diagram of feedback amplifiers, and this amplifier with A is going to be treated as basic amplifier. It is a basic amplifier with input as Xi and output as X0. Okay, overall output is nothing but by including this mixer as well as sampler, we can say it as entire block diagram as feedback amplifier. This is what output signal X0. It is available for the beta network, and a part of this output is going to be taken as feedback signal XF. How you are taking the part is nothing but depending on the feedback network. This beta is going to be always less than 1. That will choose less than or equal to 1. That will choose how much portion of output should be taken back as feedback. So XF is nothing but it is simply beta times of X0. That XF signal is going to be mixed with source signal XS, either in case of that is nothing but it may be either mixed with in addition form or it may be subtracting form, so that it is plus minus. For negative feedback, this feedback signal is subtracted from the source signal such that effective input signal Xi will get reduces. This is what negative feedback. Okay, and the type of negative feedback is depending on depends on how the output signal is going to be sampled and how the feedback signal is mixed up. So what are the types of samplings, what are the types of mixing is available. Based on that one, the type of negative feedback amplifiers are classified. So at the output side, okay, at the output side you are taking a sample of output, so here it is going to be related to the sampling network. This is related to the sampling network. Whereas at the input side the feedback signal is mixing with source signal, okay, to increase the or to decrease the effective input signal Xi, so that it is going to be called as mixing network. Mixing network always deals with input side, that is nothing but Ri. Mixing network always related to Ri, and sampling network which is at the output side which is going to be always related to R0. Ri is input impedance, R0 is output impedance. Okay, so sampling is going to be of two types. It may be either voltage sampling or current sampling. Voltage sampling or current sampling. whether it is voltage sampling or current sampling, it is decided with whether the output signal is voltage or current. If X0 is voltage, then it is going to be called as voltage signal, because we are looking at the output side, output node is X0. And current sampling is nothing but if X0, that is output signal, if it is current type, at that time it is going to be called as current sampling. Voltage sampling reduces the output impedance with feedback, that is with feedback R0F. R0F is nothing but output impedance with feedback. It will be reduces for voltage sampling, whereas it is increases for current sampling. And mixing type, in this mixing there are again it is of two types. Mixing is related to the input impedance side, and it can be either series mixing or shunt mixing. Series mixing or shunt mixing. So in series mixing implies nothing but all the quantities at the input side of mixer, okay, are going to be in series. So the input side quantities are going to be XS, XF and XI. All must be of voltages. By that time they are going to be called as series. So if XS, XI, XF, if they are voltages, at that time it is going to be called as series mixing. Okay, shunt mixing is nothing but if they are currents. If XS, XI, XF are going to be current nature, by that time it is called as shunt mixing. And remember that one, series mixing is going to be increasing the input impedance with feedback, RIF increases. Shunt mixing is going to be reducing the input impedance, RIF is going to be reduces. Whether it is output impedance or input impedance, whether it may be increases or decreases, the factor always to be used is nothing but 1 plus A beta. 1 plus A beta is going to be the factor. By this factor the impedance may be increases, may be decreases, okay, either at input side or output side, where A beta is going to be called as loop gain. Where A beta is going to be called as loop gain. A implies nothing but gain of basic amplifier, beta is nothing but feedback network, gain of feedback network. So here the question asked is related to the voltage series. Voltage series is nothing but voltage series, it is asking about. In voltage series feedback, what happens to Ri and R0? So here it is, voltage series implies nothing but always this first one is going to be related to the sampling and second one is related to the mixing. So voltage sampling implies nothing but it is related to the output impedance, with feedback it reduces. And series mixing is nothing but input impedance, it is related to, with feedback it increases. So the answer is going to be RIF increases and R0F decreases. Input impedance increases and output impedance decreases. So Ri increases and R0 decreases. That is nothing but answer is C for this one. The right answer for this question is C. Thank you.